This small cleanroom project is under construction. Enclosure and purification equipment are being installed, with electrical wiring unfinished and equipment not powered yet. Following GMP pharmaceutical standards, the access is graded, non-clean, semi-clean, clean zone. Staff pass 2 buffer rooms for dust isolation via pressure difference, change garments and sanitize hands in the dressing area, then go through air shower to remove particles. Multi-level protection ensures stable cleanliness of the core production area. We welcome your calls for inquiries.